Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. So today I'm making this simple mixed fruit juice. It's very easy to make and of course very tasty. I'm using a pineapple, watermelon, mango and passion fruits, and it's very easy to achieve. Just follow the simple steps in the video and you'll have exactly what you were seeing. So just wash your fruits, then chop them and then blend every fruit differently. That was the pineapple. This is the watermelon. I'm using the pulse button because I don't want to break the seeds. I'm only blending like 4 times and that's it. As you can see, it is finely blended without breaking the seeds. Those are mangoes and the mangoes are very tasty. I'm not adding any sugar to this juice because all the fruits you see in this video have sugar, and the passion fruits have some acidity in them, but the mango will break it down when it's mixed together. So first I'm putting my pineapple juice to the jug. I'm now adding my mango juice, and then I'm going to add some watermelon juice. Then I'll add passion fruit after the watermelon juice, and then I'll top it up with the mango juice. It's very good for breaking fast. It's very good on a hot day. It's very tasty. It has enough sugar and of course natural sugar. You'll like it if you make it. Thank you for watching the video.